The Churchville Nature Center is a nature center located in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. It is home to a lot of diverse wildlife, including birds, deer, and other small mammals. During my time at the park filming this video, I saw various types of wildlife, mainly birds, including geese, ducks, a Carolina wren, a downy woodpecker, a cardinal, and various types of sparrows. The lake at the park is home to a lot of wildlife, mainly waterfowl, and birds migrating through the park stop here along their journey, flying south. Over the last year, I've spent a lot of time visiting Churchville and observing and studying the birds that are here. I've seen various birds' nests and baby animals in the spring, and I've also seen several uncommon birds flying through during migration season. Because of its diverse landscape and its location along the path of migration for many birds, the Churchville Nature Center provides sanctuary for many birds passing through.